Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Honda Ridgeline. These handy controls give you manual command over your automatic transmission, putting more power and precision at your fingertips. You'll find them right behind your steering wheel, making them incredibly easy to reach. Mastering paddle shifters can truly elevate your driving, offering a more engaging and controlled experience on various terrains and conditions. To upshift, simply pull the right paddle, which is clearly marked with a plus sign. You'll want to do this when you are accelerating or cruising at higher speeds, typically above 25 miles per hour. Upshifting helps your Ridgeline operate more efficiently, improving your fuel economy and reducing unnecessary strain on the engine. It's a smooth way to gain speed while maintaining optimal performance and a comfortable ride. For downshifting, pull the left paddle, indicated by a minus sign. This is particularly useful for engine braking, especially when descending steep hills or approaching sharp turns. Downshifting gives you greater control over your vehicle's speed and momentum, helping to reduce wear on your conventional brakes. It's a smart technique for maintaining stability and safety. For the best experience, aim to shift smoothly, matching your engine's revolutions per minute. Avoid aggressive downshifting when your engine is already at very high speeds, as this can cause unnecessary stress. Remember, if you leave the paddle shifters untouched for about 10 seconds, your Ridgeline's transmission will automatically revert to its standard automatic mode, offering seamless transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.